That's embarrassing. Suffice it to say, Thanksgiving 2014 was lit. Look, I don't cook, my wife doesn't clean, and by the looks of our filthy, disgusting oven, clearly, we don't communicate. Combine those ingredients, bake at 375 for like a decade, and you've got a recipe for ridicule with a side of clean shaming when house guests start arriving this holiday season. Regular cleaning can improve the efficiency of your oven and ultimately extend the life of your appliance. If you've neglected your oven and need to wipe away your kitchen's dirty little secret fast, I'm going to show you how. All evidence to the contrary, I can clean an oven. And if I can do it, you can do it. Follow these 8 steps for giving your oven some overdue lovin'. Step 1, gather what you'll need. You're going to need latex gloves, oven cleaner found in most grocery stores, a bucket lined with a garbage bag, non-abrasive scrubbing pads and utility rags, and newspapers. You know, those foldy things you used to get news from before smartphones. Step 2, prep the area. Cleaning your oven can be a messy business. Lay down the newspapers to protect your floor from falling filth as you clean. If you can't find a newspaper, use old towels you don't mind ruining. Step 3, remove the racks. Take the racks out of the oven and set them aside. Step 4, cover it in cleaner. While wearing the gloves, spray a liberal amount of the cleaner inside the oven. There are other so-called natural methods, but for caked-on crud like this, we're going with volatile chemicals. Take care to avoid spraying the burners and electrical elements as much as possible. Step 5, hurry up and wait. Follow the manufacturer's instructions on how long you should let the cleaner sit and do its stuff. That could be anywhere from 5 minutes to a half hour for a normal amount of buildup. Step 6, start scrubbing. It's time to do the dirty work of scrubbing away the grime. Using non-abrasive scrubbing pads will ensure the grime comes off but your oven's interior remains intact. Step 7, wipe it all away. Use a rag to wipe off excess cleaner until it's all gone. You can toss the soiled rags and newspapers into the bucket as you work your way through the oven. And finally, step 8, back to the racks. Repeat the steps for your oven racks if you'd like to clean those as well. Then place them in the oven when you're through. And there you have it, like it never happened. Almost. And don't worry, I won't tell if you won't.